Doge is testing a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Doge, we are currently testing our major support level here at 0.88. I mentioned to you guys that this level, of course, is a very important level on Doge overall. And ideally right now, we are starting to see a nice pullback after a massive move to the upside. This isn't really a surprise, of course, because of the fact that we are overbought in terms of the RSI. So I was expecting a nice pullback on this level, which I mentioned yesterday, a nice consolidation, and then the continuation. Of course, if this level is broken in terms of the exponential moving averages and support, and we start to see that area of resistance being tested, that would give us a confirmation that this was a fake out, and we will be looking to retest some lows. I don't think obviously that this is the bottom for Doge in my opinion. I still think we will be testing that overall 0.55, which is a massive opportunity, of course, because of the fact that that acted as a very strong daily support. But right now on Doge, we are doing the worst case scenario, which I talked about in yesterday's video. I didn't want to see, of course, a wick to the upside like this multiple times and then the consolidation. Right now we are seeing the same sort of formation. Guys, this was supposed to be the third test breakout, and we were nicely to see some bullish volume come in. Of course, this theory isn't invalidated just yet because of the pullback opportunity and, of course, our RSI in the overbought region. So as long as we hold above the 0.08, we do have a bullish case scenario to possibly seeing Doge around that 0.11 resistance overall. Ideally, once we get to that level, of course, I would like to start entering some shorting positions on Doge because of the fact that in my opinion would be a nice liquidity grab and then the continuation to the downside. And if we go ahead and look on the hourly time frames, you can see we've already broken the exponential moving averages and are now using this level of support. The more times a level of support is tested, the higher chances of it breaking. And you guys can see we had that same candlestick that I've taught you guys to pay attention to on Doge right now on the hourly, where we pretty much had no wick to the downside, just a straight move to the up. This usually happens on a bar formation, so I would be expecting a retest to at least a 0.08 and then the continuation. But I did want to quickly point out the fact that if the 0.08 level is broken, things are going to become extremely bearish for Doge overall. That midterm support was a very crucial level, of course, in terms of the continuation on Doge, why we actually entered that level. And right now that level is looking to be tested once more. If we go on the daily time frames, you can see we are above the exponential moving averages with this beautiful liquidity grab wick to the upside, much like the wicks that we saw previously on Doge overall. So we could be expecting a bearish engulfing candle forming this weekend. Keep in mind, guys, of course, it is a weekend, so there's going to be a lack of liquidity. So, of course, do not enter a position. Just kind of pay attention to how the levels are reacting. And if you guys pay attention to the levels right now, you can see we are above the support level as well as the exponentials on the daily time frame looking to go up. So there is somewhat of a bullish case scenario. This, of course, would be invalidated if we broke below the 0.08. Now, you guys kind of pay attention to why I mentioned that level specifically is on the daily time frames. That level acted as a very crucial support. If that level is broken, that would be looking for a massive move to the downside, and then we can start looking for some shorting positions overall. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.